Join us on a captivating 7-day journey through the heart of London, a city rich in history and bursting with culture. Day 1 begins in the lively streets of Covent Garden and Soho, settling into the rhythm of the city with local shops and cafes. Explore the iconic landmarks such as Big Ben, the Tower of London and Buckingham Palace, immersing yourself in the grandeur of British architecture and history. Indulge in the diverse culinary scene, from traditional English pubs to Michelin-starred restaurants, offering a taste of the city's vibrant food culture. Stroll along the serene banks of the River Thames, taking in the breathtaking views of the city skyline and the majestic London Eye. Immerse yourself in the world-renowned museums and art galleries, showcasing masterpieces from across the globe and spanning centuries of artistic achievement. Experience the vibrant nightlife of London, from trendy rooftop bars to historic pubs, where you can mingle with locals and fellow travellers alike. Discover the hidden gems of London, from charming Mews streets to colourful street art, each corner revealing a new facet of this dynamic city. Join us on this unforgettable journey through the heart of London, where every street tells a story and every moment is filled with wonder. Witness the grandeur of Buckingham Palace and the ceremonial splendour of the changing of the guard on day 2. A Thames river cruise offers breathtaking views and leads us to the maritime charms of Greenwich. Day 3 is dedicated to discovery, with the Natural History Museum's ancient wonders captivating the young and old alike. The magic continues on day 4 at the Warner Brothers studio tour, exploring the making of Harry Potter, a dream come true for fans. Day 5's solo adventure takes us through the eclectic stalls of Camden Market, tasting global flavours and soaking in the arts. The 6th day relaxes in the green expanses of Hyde Park, followed by a shopping spree along the famous Oxford Street. As we wrap up our week in London, we cherish the memories made and the sights seen, promising to return. London calls not just to be visited, but to be experienced. Join us and discover your own London story.